Minnie and Mahi walk through the soft morning garden. A tiny glowing feather floats down from the sky. Minnie jumps up to catch the little feather. Mahi says, "Maybe this feather belongs to a baby bird." They look around to find the tiny bird. They find a baby bird hiding under a tree. Mahi gently says, "Don't be scared. We will help you." Minnie softly places the feather beside the little bird. The baby bird chirps happily and they both smile. Moral: helping someone small makes our hearts grow bigger.